Hello everyone, I'm Abhishek. Welcome to my channel Data Scientist. Today I'm going to talk about something very interesting. How to predict a change in trend. I'm going to talk about this topic based on a famous book, Trader Vic, Methods of a Wall Street Master. The author of this book is Victor Sperandeo, better known as Trader Vic. Okay then, let's start. Trend is your friend until it bends at the end. This is a very famous proverb in the capital market or equity market. We as a trader understand that trend is the biggest truth while we are doing trading. Victor Sperandeo actually wrote a book called Methods of a Wall Street Master, where he explained how trend can be correctly predicted when there is a change. Of course, he cannot say that it will be done 100% accurately. However, the method which he has suggested actually predicts the change in trend 70 to 80% of the time. So he is talking about three-step process. So what are these three steps? We need to know that, okay? So first, a trend line is broken. That means an underlying asset class was following a trend and anybody can draw a trend line which has broken. That's the first criteria. Second, there is a retest of price and subsequent failure corresponding to that retracement. And finally, price moves below the previous low while it broke the trend line. We will validate these three steps process via few examples. Let's proceed and do that exercise. This is a chart, daily chart of Tata Steel. You can see there is a clear trend line which got generated till August of 2014, and the blue arrow clearly suggests that where the trend line has broken. This is the first example. That means the first criteria is getting satisfied. A trend line is broken. The same chart I'm referring here with a little bit of right side movement. The first arrow suggests there is a retracement of price, and finally that retracement failed. We see the price is actually following below the previous low marked by the black color horizontal line. So all my criteria got satisfied, and I can see from mid of September onwards there is a clear downtrend in this counter. Let's proceed and take another example. In this particular example, it is a daily chart of ITC. This particular counter was in a downtrend, and suddenly there was a huge surge or spike which breaks the trend line. That is my first criteria to be cautious that the trend has broken. Okay, does that mean I'm going to take a position? No, the other two conditions needs to be satisfied, which I need to be very careful of. Okay, see what happens in that counter. Price retraces back towards the previous low. Okay, however, it didn't come back till this low. It actually gets support and finally it moves up. So retracement and failure, which is the second step, actually got fulfilled. Now you see the previous high over here is broken and the price action takes it on the upside. So you can clearly understand the process. First, a trend line has to be broken. There will be a retracement, and that retracement will try to bring the counter back to the previous low or the high. However, it will fail and price will move in the opposite direction. This is the logic which trader Vic has clearly mentioned in his book. Finally, before I end this video, I would quickly take you through the recent most chart of Nifty 50. Look what is happening over here. There was a clear trend line which was broken during the third week of February. We see there is a clear trend line getting broke, and there is a retracement which is happening towards the upside, but price didn't win till that high. It stopped in a place which is mid of these two price high and low points, and finally what happens, it breaks the previous low which it made, and hence Nifty has gone to a downward trend. Again, when this trend gonna change, that's time will take. But as of now, I will end my session over here with a very clear guidance about how somebody can predict the change in trend. If that can be done 70% correctly, you have a great prospect in terms of making trading decisions. I hope you like this video. Keep in touch with me. Shoot an email as you always do at Data Scientist for Trading. See you in some other video. Thank you.